What's up, guys? It's Ed here from Geek, and we get a lot of requests for links to this, links to that. So what we did was put together a link tree, and I just want to go through a bunch of the links for you. So I'm going to put a link to this link tree in the description so you can see it, and then I'll link to it on the channel page, and then moving forward for all videos, we'll actually put this link tree in there. So right away, you got a video, rather a link to our main website. If you're an agency and you would like to take a look at our white label PPC pricing, or an agency or a freelancer, you click here. If you're in the market for PPC services, so Google Ads management, and you're a business owner or work at a business, you want to apply for that here. If you're looking at any of our courses, our Google Ads course, our direct mail course, or our landing page course, those are those links. If you're not yet a subscriber to this channel, subscribe. Click here for that. We have a free PPC optimization course that is, I think it's 3 or 4 videos. Rob put it up a couple of months ago. It's very helpful, and I think it would be useful. So if that's of interest, click here. So I'm getting a lot of requests to set up an email list for when we go live. And we set that up a couple days ago. Have a link for it here. So if you'd like to get notifications for when we go live, just click on here and subscribe. And then the last part of this is a bunch of videos that I always reference in the lives that I think would be helpful to put in one place for you. So first one is, this is us building a Google Ads campaign from scratch, literally from keyword research level all the way through build and go live. Next video is the Google Ads budget video I always talk about. You guys, I always reference this video. This is a vitally important piece of the puzzle. If you get the budget piece wrong, you're going to get a campaign that just chokes and it grinds along. It's like driving with the gas and the brake on at the same time. So I highly, highly recommend this video, both for retail business owners, not retail business owners, PPC managers, freelancers, agency owners, anybody that's in market either doing Google Ads or selling Google Ads, they should watch this video. Next one for my freelancers and agencies out there. This is a video on the 21 different ways we've gotten PPC clients. Next one is PPC pricing models. This goes over how we see a lot of our clients, our white label clients, charging for services, whether they do it as a standalone or if they're blending the margin amongst other services that they're offering. And then the last 2 videos are PPC niches to target and niches to avoid. And I think these would be super helpful. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. I'd say those are a really good foundation for anyone in the freelance space or agency space, whether you're selling this stuff or actually building and optimizing campaigns on the back end. I think they'll be helpful. So that's it. I know there's a lot of links in the link tree, but people always ask for different links for different things. So I figured, why not just put this on one central location to make everyone's life a lot easier. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys next week. See you guys. Bye.